by the Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, as also of successful minds.
Hello everybody, you're welcome to Trek. And now to our first story. The tourist industry is booming, and so is the hospitality business. The number of people seeking jobs in the hospitality sector is increasing. In fact, it's the #1 job of today. The prospects could indeed be fantastic, as we will show you in our next report. We will visit La Palm Casino, one of the best casinos in Accra. And the young man we will show you who works there definitely has what it takes to succeed.
La Palm Casino, situated in the La Palm Hotel, is one of the best casinos in Accra. It is run by a very efficient team of workers. One of them is Abdullah Nehu. It's already 11 o'clock, but for the casino, it is still too early. But the young employees who work here have lots to do. Tidy up, clean up the bar area, and prepare the machines for any early clients. It's usually around this time that Abdullah Nehu walks into the casino to start off his day. It takes intense training to master the numerous rules of the games to become a croupier. You have to develop sharp reflexes and manual dexterity and be proficient in arithmetic. Here, the employees of the casino display what a real game would look like.
When we employ staff, we have, especially staff for the table games, we have an arithmetic test that they are given, and there is they have to get a certain percentage of the questions correct. We will then bring them into a training school. We have a group coordinator who comes every year, and we have a training school, and he trains them. And if after 3 months they prove to be at a certain level, then we will give them a job. And then there is another 6-month training period, and in that time they should gain enough knowledge to be able to deal on all 3 games.
Meanwhile, Abdullah is getting ready to meet the public relation officer of La Palm Casino in order to strategize for the day. Abdullah was initially employed as a Landbrokes clerk. His duties consisted of taking bets from Landbrokes customers online. After a couple of months, Abdullah proved to be a lot more intelligent than taking bets from people. So the management of La Palm Casino made him public relations officer. Within a year, Abdullah has managed to excel in this position. He's gone from strength to strength. Abdullah is presently the manager, calling Parker's link with Accra and Ghana as a whole. Undaunted by this responsibility, Abdullah goes out on his own initiative, invites prospective clients to the casino.
We can't only have the nightclub, at least we should have diversities, okay? So at least the casino here, okay, it's actually here to really bring people together. We do have people come in here, business guys all together. They come and interact and meet each other, and then they start transacting businesses as well.
Distinct quality is they have to be friendly and be able to interact with people, because that's our business, people.
Well, I think my day is really getting started outside the casino. I've just had a meeting with the general manager with regards to the proposals we did have, and I've got a couple of letters to type to send out to the various companies. I'd like them to be at the casino during the South African night, kind of. I think my time is up and I should start going now.
It's his ability to work on his own initiative. I don't have to tell him. He knows, and he will say, well, I will go and speak to this person, or I will go and speak to someone else.
Before you can make it in the hospitality industries, you should have the kind of facilities that we do have. Just look at La Palm, and when you go in there to the casino, you saw what we have there. And anybody at all that comes in to see the place would like to come again. In the hospitality industries, basically, you should be you should know how to communicate. At least you have that communication skills. You should know how to approach customers. You understand? You don't need to have a degree or a PhD kind of. At least you should have those qualities I've mentioned.
As the driver closes the door, the car revs up and Abdullahi Nehu is on his way. As the car moves away, the young man's thoughts go back to his numerous projects and the clients of the casino he has to meet. In short, a busy day lies life.
The Golden Coast, so called by Europeans on account of its abundant and copious yield of gold things and treasures of nature, is also of successful minds.